welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. Oh, and I be having my camera up, but just don't be vlogging to show y'all anything. I don't even know if I showed y'all any behind the scenes of the, what was it called? It was create content day, basically, because it started from 7 a.m. I don't know if you guys know about it, but Keisha Kaylee had a Keisha Anderson, I don't know what y'all know about, but she had a content day, and she allowed her, you know, for the ones that was in the master class, the class that her and Jayla did, but I hope y'all can hear me too with the air. Well, she kind of created something. If you was in Atlanta, you were able to come out and create some content and have some fun, mingle with other creators like ourselves. And I just love that about her, because I feel like I've been watching Keisha for a very long time, and since day one, I honestly, when I spoke with her the very first time, seeing her in person, it was a time when she had a lot going on as far as people harassing her all the time, which she get that a lot anyways. But the conversation me and her initially had was her, you know, kind of helping out, supporting me a little bit, giving me a little gems on certain things, but that never did actually happen. And it's just crazy because I think I made a video about it, because I didn't understand at the time, how can, you know, people like her or big influencers say they're gonna do something but don't follow through, don't do it. But now looking back, the timing was definitely not the timing. It's crazy because you expect certain stuff. We all expect certain stuff to happen just like that, and that wasn't the case. She never said no to me. She never said, oh, you know, she said she would. And I feel like now is her time when she's doing that, if that makes sense. I'm trying to make sense, but pay attention to the road. Make sure y'all hear me. But I just feel like this is her telling me she was gonna, you know, eventually help me out. I just didn't know when. I was thinking soon after we had just spoke, not right after, but you know, during the midst of those, y'all, it's been years. But time is everything, because now is that perfect time to where, you know, she's able to help me. She's able to give me gems. She's comfortable. You know, she don't know me fully. I don't know her other than seeing her on Instagram or YouTube, stuff like that. So she don't know me like that. But things like being a big creator and influencer that she is, and me trying to, you know, follow in the footsteps with certain things, you have to be careful who you let in or try to help, be around, and stuff like that. So it's all about gaining your trust. It's just like with everything. When you meet anybody, you want to make sure they the right person and not cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, because people out here are crazy. You think people, you know, not to say that, you know, somebody can love and support you so much to where they will go that extra mile, extreme, to bring you down just so that you can feel the way they feel. You know what I'm saying? Just any little thing. But y'all, we had a good time. When I tell y'all, it was from 7 a.m. until we didn't leave until 7 p.m. literally almost 8 o'clock, probably 8 o'clock. I'm probably just saying 7, but it was an all-day experience. And when I say, y'all, hands down to Keisha for giving all of us that opportunity to come in and create content around her, and, you know, take pictures with her, talk with her, engage with her, just be that person, you know, just like normal friends coming out, getting together, doing the same thing. We all love the same thing, so why not get together? And I just love it. To me, she's super mom and everything else. Love her. I love her mom. I love her relationship. She love it. I like it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a judgmental person anyway, so All I can do is give advice when advice is due, and yeah, keep it moving. But y'all, I know I'm rambling in the car, and I don't really like rambling in the car. So Mariah in the back seat. We're about to head to 5 and Below. This child right here, and it's 5 and Below. Yeah, so y'all need some sunflower seeds. These are the best. If y'all like dill pickle sunflower seeds, and y'all like the, what's it called, the sun something, they call it something else, but if y'all like them type of sunflower seeds and they a little bit too salty, but you like the dill pickle sunflower seeds, try these. These, I'm assuming they the Circle K, but it's guaranteed you'll love it. They got these, they got the chips, they got like different flavors in this particular brand. I want to say it's Circle K because, and I think I got them from Circle K, but they dill pickle jumbo sunflower seeds. When I say they bussin', y'all. So we about to go in 5 and Below. Well, we about to pick up some friends, Mariah friend, and then we're gonna head out. Yeah, I'll vlog and I'll show you guys the surgery today. Y'all, I ain't show y'all the other stuff that we did because we actually was so busy, and it was so, I got so caught up in engaging with the ladies and just having a good time. I didn't even think to pick up my camera, so I brought my camera. I got it today, so hopefully if y'all see any videos, y'all will know what's what. But I'll talk to y'all. Peace. Yeah. Let me see your treat. Go. Higher. Oh. You almost fell. Whatever it's called, with the kids skating. It ain't the same. What, skating? I do. It's not the same. I'm scared. Don't hit me with that. You got it? Whoa! What's your name? What's your name? Tell me your name. Hold on. Huh? Yeah. Who? Leilani. Oh, you're so pretty. She's so cute, y'all. She's like, you recording? You gotta be careful. What's up, you guys? So, I am... Yes. Got Mariah in the cut over here. We are at the mall, and I don't want to get copyright, but I am coming in here for one store only. So we about to make this quick. What's up, you guys? Oh my god, y'all, I'm like so in pain right now. Not in pain, but I'm so like upset right now. And I know y'all, hold on, I gotta tell y'all, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do right now. I just dropped my phone. Oh no. And it would not come back on. How do I reset this phone? I should have. And I need it literally right now. I needed this very moment, and I don't know how to get this phone on. And I just don't understand with me dropping it, making it not come on whatsoever. Oh, I look rough. And I haven't even been vlogging, y'all. Sorry. Today is not my day. I just wanted to come on here. And then just, I need my phone like now. Like what? Like this is crazy, y'all. I'm so upset right now. What's up, you guys? Hopefully y'all can see me. I haven't vlogged in forever. Why is it blurry? Y'all, so welcome back to the vloggy vlog. It is a new vlog, a new day. I know I haven't even been picking up the vlog. Hold on, let me do what I need to do because we are at we just made it to Baby Dro the Baby Dro show premiere, his green carpet premiere. Yes, green carpet premiere. I did record the whole behind the scenes of the game show that Mariah was in. Stage name, I guess. I don't know. But
what team I was on? What team I was?
Title. What was your title? Should I put blue team? So yes, you guys, Mariah's here. Let me see what you got on. You gonna tuck it in like that? So yeah, we at the green screen premiere. You gotta put this, you gotta get this, I think. Put that on. Let me show y'all. So this is the VIP, which Mariah gotta have. And we was struggling trying to figure out what we gonna put on, but I'm gonna show y'all OOTD real quick. But let me get on out the car. Hey. Cute. You funny child, come on.
Okay. Cute.
Thanks, you so funny. Alright, yeah, so it is at Studio Movie Grill. I think it's called, yeah, Studio Movie Grill, whatever. So yeah, we walking in.
Hi, welcome. Hey, how are you? I love it. Nice. Beautiful.
I would like to get to know you. Kind of girl that you get down for. Look at you,
Y'all, we at this live arcade in Dreddy. I never be nor Mariah. We never be here. But let's do this when they done. You wanna do that? You gotta wait till they get done. So if you in Atlanta, make sure y'all check out Andretti's. Baby Joel just came Yeah, so we have officially left the Andretti's. Little Mariah played. She played and had a little fun up until she couldn't have no more fun. She was tired. Anyways, we are about to grab something to eat. I figured me and my baby girl, we can have us a little one-on-one dinner type of vibes. We've been gone all day. We like their spinach dip. And get some of their oysters. Y'all can't see me.
I'm mostly like for everything my mama likes.
Right, she's the little version of me. And she also likes the apple cobbler that's here. So we about to just eat, have a mommy-daughter date. My little date, kind of nervous. Kind of nervous.
You're not nervous.
My little date, my favorite date buddy. But yeah, we about to see. Hopefully it's not a long wait for seat for two. We're about to have us a little time. So yeah, check back. I'll show y'all what we get. Everything.
I also like oysters too.
Hopefully it's not a long. Y'all, so we got y'all, so we got spinach dip. It looks so good, and y'all already know I had to get me some oysters on deck. Like, really had to get some oysters.
I ain't know you was going to say.
Pretty girl with some skills. I can be anything with all this melanin. Get to the top.